Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to do another drawing in the One Drawing a Day book. So far I've actually only done one, so it's definitely time I did another one. So let's open up this bad boy. So the one I've previously done was draw the eyes of someone you love, and of course I did lots of puppy dogs and my friends and my boyfriend, and let's see what we have next. Draw a fountain of youth. Okay. Okay. What in the world? How am I going to do that? I don't know if I want to do like an actual fountain, or maybe like an older person and a younger person, and I don't know. All right, draw a fountain of youth. Okay, I don't really know exactly what I'm going to be doing here, and we've got quite a big space to fill. So, I think I'm going to use one of these bad boys here today. So it's just a regular Bic pen, but of course it's got the 4 different colors you can choose from. This is a fun classic pen. All right, so I think maybe what I want to draw for Fountain of Youth, maybe, I'm thinking maybe like an older person and like water coming down, and then the other part of the older person's face is actually a younger person's face. So maybe when the water is hitting them, they're like getting younger. All right, well, let's see if I can sketch this out. Let's go. Alright folks, so I think we are finished our Fountain of Youth drawing. So I tried to do a older lady on this side, and she's like getting the Fountain of Youth water like all over her, and then so we've got the younger side here. So one side younger, one side older, and you can see that on the younger side we've got like dark hair, whereas on the older side it's turned white at this point, and we've got some aged skin over on this side. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think. What would you have drawn for this prompt? I'm very curious to know how you guys would have taken this prompt and what you guys would have created. And I encourage you to create something with this prompt. But alright folks, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining me here and checking out this video. Hope to see you next time for whatever the next video is going to be. Alright everyone, goodbye!